Namaskar. Welcome to this episode of Parichay. This is an interview series where we invite distinguished guests and dignitaries on the channel of Vyasa Darshan, which is a YouTube channel run by Fakir Mohan University, managed by the students of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. So today I am very excited and overwhelmed because not only it is the National Science Day that we have celebrated just here in our university, but I have a very special guest here amidst us. Deputy Director, IIT Kharagpur, Rintu Banerjee. Ma'am, welcome.
Thank you very
बहुत
much.
खुशी लागू जी, and there is a special connection that I share with our guest because she is from my hometown, Rourkela. So whenever people from the same town meet, there is a different vibe and energy.
Of course.
So, ma'am, the topic, the theme for today's National Science Day celebration was celebrating women, welcoming women, supporting women in the stream of science, research, and development. So, you being a scientist, you being an academician, now an administrator, please let us start the show by knowing about your beautiful journey. Kon challenges thila? How was your road to the position where you are now?
Because life was full of challenges. It was not at all smooth, rosy. And from the beginning, when I came to the science or the research part, that time very few women were there in the research line. And research is a bit different from that of any scientific job. Research is 24/7. If you want to establish yourself to be a researcher, you have to make your mind fix from the first day कि मोते Monday to Sunday 24/7 मोते काम କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I cannot do the research or do the job like any other profession where people are coming at 9 o'clock, going at 5:30, 6:30 and so on. So as and when the reactions are needed, the activities, lab activities are to be pursued, your research work is to be carried out, you have to be there in the lab. And that was the mindset of mine. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ join କଲି, I joined in Chemical Engineering Department of IIT Kharagpur. ସେଇଠି you can understand that yes, a pura engineering department. So you can understand that yes, Chemical Engineering Department, very less researchers were there during my time. ଆମେ ଦିଟା ଝିଅ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ. And my research journey was such that ଆମେ ଦିଟା ଝିଅ କାମ କରୁଥିଲୁ. And we used to go to our lab in the morning, 7:30, 8 o'clock. And we used to work up to 10 o'clock in the night. Continuous, 1 hour lunch break used to be there. And continuously we were working. For my other friend who was there with me, I used to see that her one copy is full of data. Next copy started. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି, କାମ ହଉଥିଲା, ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନବାର ଥିଲା, result is not coming. Failure. One day I thought that I will leave research. Research is not meant for me. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ସେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲି ମୁଁ ପୁରା ରେଡ଼ି ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲି, କାହିଁକି ମୋ ପାଖେ ଦୁଇଟା ଆହୁରି ଅଫର୍ ଥିଲା. ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ MSc ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଜ୍ୟୋତି ବିହାର ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଲାଇଫ୍ ସାଇନ୍ସେସ୍, 2 ଜଣ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଆମ ଏକ୍ସଟର୍ନାଲ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନର ହେଇକି. ଆଉ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ ମୋ ନାଁଟା ମୋ ଟିଚର ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖେ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ କରିକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ. In case she gets first class, then you just ask her to apply for PhD in our institution. One was from BARC, another was from Devi Ahalla University. तो ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ଏ IIT ମୋ ପାଇଁ ନୁହେଁ ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ତ କିଛି କାମ ହଉନି ଖାଲି ତ ନେଗେଟିଭ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ I used to work day and night ପୁରା ପାଗଳ ଭଳିଆ କି ମୁଁ ଆଜି ହୁଏତ ମୁଁ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ପାଇଯିବି ଯେତେବେଳେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି ନେଗେଟିଭ I totally got frustrated ଆହୁରି frustration ମୋ ଆସୁଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗର ଗୋଟେ କପି
ଭାରି ଚାଲିଛି
ଭରିଗଲା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କପି ନେଇକି ସେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ସେମିତି ଦେନ୍ one day my supervisor called me and he started telling me that ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ IIT ଆସିବା ପରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରାଫଟା ସବୁ ଏକ୍ସପୋନେନ୍ସିଆଲରେ ସବୁ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ ହୁଏ ତମ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଏମିତି ଡିକ୍ଲାଇନିଂ ଫେଜ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ରିଜନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ତମେ ଫୁଲ୍ ସ୍କଲାରସିପ୍ ଡ୍ର କରୁଛ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଗୁଛି ତମ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ so I felt very insulted because I used to work very sincerely. And then I told sir honi sir seteବେଳେ କହିଲେ କି what you have done show me each and every data then he saw and he told me that why don't you do this thing in your specialization is biochemistry why don't you think from biochemistry point of view and you know the fallacy of this work is that when I started analyzing the biochemistry from the biochemical point of view, I saw that organism used to give everything except the work which I used to work for last 6 to 8 months.
Oh my God.
And then I started getting my result, and I'm very happy to share you that I was the first PhD student from biotechnology unit of chemical engineering department to submit the PhD thesis.
Oh my God.
So that was the turning point of my life.
Of your life.
And
this was in which year?
It was in the year 1990.
1990. And very few women in the stream of research. Yeah.
Then very little, the less number of girl students were there. And in our department, only 2-3 girl students were there. And then after completion of my PhD, I went abroad. I went to Germany. And there also, that my life is full of stories. If you listen to my stories, you will also laugh at me. My professor with whom I was assigned, I went to Germany. Braunschweig. So Professor Dequer was my professor. So and he used to see that yes, I'm working day and night and I'm getting very good result which they never thought of even. And I used to get and I used to repeat that thing, and morning till night I used to be there in the lab. So they had very beautiful lab facilities and all. And there it was in the area of industrial biotechnology. You know, many people they do in the laboratory scale. About table rehi start hela, table rehi
Sarigala.
Kintu mu sethi jaiki dekhili that from a 500 milliliter reactor to 50 cubic meter reactor means how a system is getting scaled up. Say, that area was not known to me when I was doing my PhD. But after going there, after getting that facilities, that exposure, I was just like mad. This way, that means this way that transformation is taking place. And kaiki amo country re ame emiti facility, why we cannot do this type of facilities, establish this type of facilities for making the product viable. કારણ કે anything you want to bring it to the industrial level, it has to be economically viable. Economically, if it is not viable, then in that case, you cannot go ahead with that. And I have learned those things. And then my guide was so happy. He told me that I don't want to lose you. You be here and marry a German person.
Oh, okay.
I never liked any German.
So then did you come back to
Then
India?
I came back and I gave, before going, I appeared for one interview and I got selected there. And then my German supervisor, he took my passport and he took it
Oh.
and he kept that thing with him.
Okay.
And ମୋତେ କହିଲେ କି ଯୋଉଦିନ ତମେ ଜର୍ମାନ ପିଲାକୁ ଦେଖିକି କହିବ କି ହଁ ଇଏ I like this boy, ସେଇଦିନ ତମକୁ ମୁଁ I will go as a parent of you. I will go and I will negotiate that.
Because he didn't want to lose you and let you go to India, come back to India.
Then but when he heard that I got selected in IIT as an assistant professor, then he gave my.
And this was in which year?
It was in the year 1995.
Okay. And then you came back to India.
Yes,
And you
then,
served at IIT.
IIT Kharagpur in 93. Yes, 93. It was in the year 1993.
Okay.
Then I came back and I joined this IIT system. I became assistant professor, associate professor, and full professor in 93 to 2003. 10 years of time. I used to work like a madam. So morning till night to 2:30, I used to be there with my students and me. So we used to bring different challenging projects. From the first day of my career, I used to work with the industry, and those who work with the industry, they know that how industry is expecting the product, that results, that you have to give the deliverables. And I used to give them deliverables before deadline.
Oh my God.
So that is
So this is bringing me to my next question, which I personally also want to ask. See, in the field of research, or where, as you said, we want deliverables, we want output, we want results, there is no excuses that are appreciated or welcomed. But given the scenario in this country and given the expectations that generally society has from mothers, from women, being a woman yourself, as you in your presentation today earlier in the morning also said, that there are expectations which are more from the women as a mother, as a nurturer, caregiver. You have to be there for your kids. So as a researcher, when you said that you have to work till 2:30 a.m. in the morning, I mean at night, and continuously it has to be there in your mind. Was it difficult personally for you to juggle and balance these two worlds, uh,
yes.
two fronts?
I think yes, I had to compromise with my personal life. Okay, so my heart, my mind, my soul, everything was research. You have to fulfill this target. You have to give your product with this, and for that only, I didn't have any kids, and my students are my kids. So I spend my time in my laboratory, and my students who are there with me, I consider them that yes, as a mother, they are far from their parents, they are far from their house. So as a women or lady faculty, I should take care of them. So what a male faculty is not able to do, that being a female with that affectionate or satiki love and care, Nekimu, I used to take care.
And not only the kids, I think you have mothered so many projects. You have come up with so many innovations. I was listening to the H index, to the citations, and I was feeling so inspired. So you definitely inspire a lot of students, a lot of lady faculties, and everybody at you. So being the eldest of the 6 sisters, and no one
I was fifth.
fifth, and all 6 sisters, and no one into academics, initially when you had this bent of mind towards research, I mean in the first half of the career span, what was the reaction of your parents? They were very welcoming, or they were like the conventional?
Initially they were not. But when I got my job in IIT as a faculty, after that the entire scenario got changed. So everybody used to tell that, oh yes, this is a very prestigious job, and this is a very prestigious position. So you should. So now they are giving example that you should be like into.
That's why I asked, because कहते हैं ना कि जब कुछ मुकाम पे आप पहुंच जाते हो, जब कुछ आप अचीव कर लेते हो, तो जो आपकी पूरी जर्नी है वो मिसाल बन जाती है। फिर लोग आपके एग्जाम्पल्स दे करके और फिर दूसरों को इंस्पायर, इनिशियली द सेम पीपल हु वर नॉट वेरी श्योर ऑफ वेयर यू गोइंग, बट व्हेन यू अचीव समथिंग दे सेट दैट डायरेक्शन एंड दैट जर्नी एज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर्स। सो in every episode we do have some words of wisdom from our guests for our audience, and especially the females, the girl students who have to battle the same situations, I mean of सबको मना के सबको कन्विंस करके ये जो एक एडिशनल हो जाता है वर्क, तो उनके लिए तांको पाई मैडम कौन आपणो एडवाइस रखिबे, कौन आपणो कहिबे दुई तीनटा जिंस?
देखंदो मु गोटे जिनिस मु कहबाकू चाहे कि इन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट people are only talking of the success, but behind a success hundreds of failures are there, and one should learn from that failure. Okay, people should not be frustrated with the failures. This is the first thing which it is immaterial for any girl student. It is for everyone, those who are in the research profession. I'm just telling, this is the first thing. Second thing, that what I find, many a time I have seen that girl is very intelligent. She is quite capable. But ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେତୃତ୍ୱ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ opportunity ଆସିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ଆସୁନି। Then in that case I will be telling that when such opportunity comes, don't miss that opportunity. So you should come with every possibilities. So a misuse କରିବାଟା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ। ଆଉ lastly I want to tell, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସଂଘର୍ଷ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିବ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋ ସଂଘର୍ଷ ଥିଲା, ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଡେପୁଟି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର, ଏବେ ବି ମୋ ସଂଘର୍ଷ ଅଛି, but it has changed its form. ହୁଏତ ତା ଫର୍ମଟା ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ if our goal is fixed, if we know that we have to achieve this particular position in this span of time, এটা ବହୁତ କିଛି ମୁଁ ମୋର ତ ମନେ ହୁଏନି କି ଏଟା ବହୁତ difficult କାହା ପାଇଁ କି we will be not able to reach to our goal. It is achievable, and if a woman determined, it is done.
दुईटा लाइन मने पड़ुची मते, कोठी गोटे पढ़ीथिली, गोटे तो जो आपण कहले कि फेलियर्स आसीबो जेतेबेले आमे स्ट्रगल करूचे, गोल सेट अछि, हार्ड वर्क करूचे, तो एटा एसेंशियल नुहे कि सक्सेस ही सक्सेस पाइबा, फेलियर तो आसीबो। तो जणे के कहिथिले विद्वान कि कुछ नहीं हुआ तब क्या, एटलीस्ट तजुर्बा हुआ, कुछ नहीं तो तजुर्बा हुआ, तो हताश क्यों होना, हैरान क्यों होना।
फेलियर से हम लोग बहुत कुछ जान सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं, जो कि सक्सेस से हम
नहीं सीख सकते। फेलियर्स teach us, it is the pillar of success. And second thing which you said that संघर्ष रही, संघर्ष सब बेले रहिबो। आउ आज आमे मैडम को सेलिब्रेट करूछु अचीवमेंट्स, इंस्पायर होछु, आमे गोटे जिंस जोटा बहुत आड़े आमे सुनु भी कि तुमने मेरे तुमने मेरे सफलता को देखा है, तुमने मेरे हंसी को देखा है, तुमने मेरे शोहरत को देखा है, लेकिन तुमने मेरे पाँव के नीचे छालों को नहीं देखा। तो इसी के साथ हम आज का जो ये बहुत सुंदर जो एक कन्वर्सेशन जो थिला हमर बहुत भलो लागिला। आउरी भी हमें कथा हेई चलिबा एते भलो लागुजी हम मैडम प्रोफेसर को सहित बानर्जी को सहित कथा हवा पई बहुत भलो लागुजी। आशा करिबी मु कि आपण माने एई इंटरव्यू रु एई कथाबार्ता रु बहुत किसी शिखिले, बहुत किसी जानिले, इंस्पायर मोटिवेट हेले। आ जेमती मैम कहले you have to struggle, you have to work hard, you have to have a goal, and you have to keep on working that and enjoy the life that you have. If you do not love it, if you do not have the passion, तो बेसी difficult है जीवन maybe. So love that. So on this note, next episode we will surely have another guest. Before that, I would like to thank ma'am for giving us her precious time, coming to our studio, coming to our Parichay program, and having this conversation with us. Madam, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
नमस्कार.